I just don't like it. It's just so fake. This shit just so fake, cuz it's crazy. And this is why I speak like I speak, because, you know, this world that we live in, this system does not recognize real authenticity. The system does not recognize what uniqueness is, right? It wouldn't be unique for a bird to chirp at 9:06 p.m., right? Simply because it will make the bird vulnerable to attack, right? It will make the bird vulnerable to, you know, exposing its hiding place. So why the fuck would they, you know, just implement this? Why the fuck would they just implement this speaker, right? Because it's like a white speaker. Let me show y'all. Look at this shit, bro. That shit right there. Look at this motherfucker. Like, it ain't making no noise now. But eventually, it's gonna start making more noise, right? Like, you can't fake a real bird call, nigga. You can't fake some real shit. You can't fake nothing with no spirit and soul. So all that cloning shit, y'all just miss me with that shit, man. Simply because it's like it just exposes itself, right? To be unnatural to this fucking planet. But it's crazy because it's like I'm not sitting over here because of that shit. I'm sitting over here really to probably expose the shit. Like the fuckery. The amount of fuckery. The amount of fakery. Like, if they doing fake shit like that, like, what makes you think that they're not doing a bunch of fake shit that's faker than that? If they're faking the bird calls, they're faking the fucking bird calls, my nigga. What else do you think that they're faking? It's a fucking shame, though. But shit, y'all be at peace, Cosmic family, though. I share, shape.